Hello everybody. For directional protection, we have our loop system here consisting of a power grid supplying lump load, and then we have two parallel parts which are serving static loads load 1 and load 2, which are going to be the backup for lump load. So for the coordination, we're going to first need to figure out the line currents. So line currents we found out to be 40.4 amps and 495.7 amps. So it's going to be the same for both parallel parts. To account for overload, we're going to round that off. This will be 50 and this will be 500. Those values are going to be applied to the CTR ratio, the CT ratio of our relay. And also to complete our relay settings, we're going to need the I pickup. In order to do that, we also going to need the minimum fault currents in the system. So we found out that 1.911 k amps is the minimum forward fault current and 0.909 k amps is the minimum reverse current. As you can see here in bus 1, you can see that the reverse is 0 k amps. That's going to be a problem later when we do this, the coordination. So let me just first show you the coordination of the relays with the current settings. So for the current settings, when we do fault insertion in bus 2, so the relay 3 and relay 1 is operating, isolating the fault on the top part of the system, and the bottom is going to be fully operational. As you can see, the load, the current is flowing through here, going to the lump load. So similarly, if we put the fault in bus 3, bottom one is isolated and top part is fully operational. And then if we put the fault at bus 4, relay 7 and relay 8 is going to be the first to operate, and backups relay 2, and supposedly relay 1 should operate. And now if we put the fault in bus 1, no CT are operating. So what we did is we connected a generator at bus 4 to have a supply going through that. And then if we go back and do the fault insertion in bus 1, we can see that relay 5 and relay 6 are first to operate, and backups relay 3 and relay 4 are going to be operating. The insertion of the generator will still have no effect in the power flow. As you can see here, it should be the same. And that's it. Thank you.